In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns. To begin, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to the Email Campaigns area. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools for building email messages, setting up automated emails, and preparing campaigns that can be sent to your audience. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving forward, because this is the main workspace you will use throughout the process. Once you are in Email Campaigns, click Create. This starts a new email project and gives you access to the available design options. Squarespace provides templates, so you do not have to build everything from a blank screen. These templates are helpful because they already have a clean layout, organized sections, and a structure that is easy to customize. After clicking Create, choose a template that fits the type of email you want to build. You may see different styles depending on the kind of message you are creating. Pick one that is close to your goal, because you can still adjust the text, images, layout, and content after you select it. The template is just a starting point, so focus on choosing something that gives you a strong foundation. If your goal is to create an automated email rather than a one-time campaign, click Create Automation. This option is used when you want an email to be triggered by an action, such as someone submitting a form. Automations are useful because they allow Squarespace to send an email at the right time without requiring you to manually send it each time. Now you can start building the actual email. Use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange your content. This is where you can place the sections that make up your message. Move content blocks into the email layout, adjust their position, and make sure the email flows in a clear and organized way from top to bottom. As you work, keep the reader experience in mind. The goal is to make the email easy to scan and easy to understand. Place the most important content where it is simple to find, and make sure each section supports the purpose of the email. Since Squarespace gives you a visual editor, you can make changes and immediately see how the layout is coming together. When your content is in place, preview the email. Previewing is an important part of the process because it lets you review the message before it goes live or gets sent. Look over the spacing, the text, the images, and the overall layout. This helps you catch anything that might look out of place before your audience sees it. Next, select the form that should be connected to the email or automation. This is especially important when you are creating an automated message based on a form submission. Choosing the right form tells Squarespace which action should connect to the email. Make sure you select the correct form so the email is tied to the right audience action. After selecting the form, add a tag. Tags help organize contacts and make it easier to identify people based on how they joined or interacted with your site. In this case, the tag can help mark contacts who came through the selected form. This keeps your email list more organized and makes future email management simpler. Once everything is set up, you are ready for the final action. If you are creating a standard email campaign, you can click Send to send it right away, or click Schedule to choose a later time for it to go out. Scheduling is useful when you want the email to be delivered at a specific time instead of sending it immediately. If you are working with an automation, the final step is to activate it. Activating the automation turns it on, so Squarespace can begin sending the email when the connected form and tag conditions are met. After activation, the automation is ready to work in the background. That covers everything you need to know to get started with Squarespace email campaigns.